Discover the charm of local farmers markets. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's both delicious and educational: local farmers markets. Whether you're a food enthusiast, a language learner, or just curious about different cultures, understanding what a local farmers market is can enrich your vocabulary and your dining table. Let's explore together why these markets are so special and what makes them a must-visit spot in many communities around the world. A local farmers market is a public gathering where local farmers and artisans sell their products directly to consumers. Unlike shopping at a supermarket, visiting a farmers market means you're buying fresh, seasonal goods straight from the source. These markets are vibrant, colorful places where you can find fruits, vegetables, meats, cheeses, and sometimes even handmade crafts and art. The key here is local. Everything you buy comes from nearby farms and businesses, which helps support the local economy and reduces the environmental impact of transportation. Shopping at local farmers markets comes with a basket full of benefits. Firstly, the food is fresher and often tastes better because it hasn't traveled long distances. Secondly, it's a fantastic way to support local farmers and artisans, ensuring they get a fair price for their hard work. Moreover, farmers markets are excellent places for discovering unique local products and varieties of fruits and vegetables that you might not find in your regular grocery store. Lastly, they provide a great opportunity to connect with your community, meet the people who grow your food, and learn more about where it comes from. To truly enjoy your visit to a local farmers market, here are a few tips. Arrive early to get the best selection of products. Bring reusable bags to carry your purchases and reduce waste. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Farmers are usually happy to share recipes, storage tips, and information about their farming practices. Try something new every time you visit. It's a great way to expand your palate and discover new favorites. Exploring a local farmers market is not just about shopping, it's an experience that connects you with the heart of your community and the bounty of the land. We hope this video inspires you to visit a market near you, practice your English, and enjoy the freshest, most delicious produce your area has to offer. Thank you for watching, and happy market hunting!